Hi guys, it's again on your best beauty, and in today's video I'll be solving a very minor issue. I call it minor because it is solvable. Okay, I'll be showing you how to fix your Wi-Fi not showing on your PC. It could be Windows 10, it could be Windows 11. Okay, well, let us jump right to the video without wasting much time, but please do not forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your family and friends. Okay, let us get into it. So guys, you want to go to our PC. Okay, you want to go to your PC. You are going to type settings. You're going to type settings on your PC. Okay, after you're done typing settings, we are going to look for where it says network and internet. Okay, we are going to click on where it says network and internet. After you're done clicking on network and internet, you go over to the other side. You're going to scroll downwards till you find where it says advanced network settings. Advanced network settings. So we want to deal on that one. Okay, we are going to scroll down. After you have clicked on advanced network settings, you're going to see where it says network reset. Network reset. You're clicking on network reset. Okay, you're going to click on reset now. This is where you just some right up. It said this will remove and install all your network adapters and blah blah blah. You might need to reinstall other network software afterwards, such as VPN, client software and virtual. Now that's just it. Okay, just type on reset now and it's going to reset. Okay, I won't be doing it because I don't have such issues now. Okay, and I have so many things I'm doing at the time I'm making this video. Okay, but just click on reset now, reset your PC. Okay, restart it. Okay, and everything will be fine. You are going to see your Wi-Fi again. Okay, that's just all you need to do. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe, turn your notification bell on, like the video if it is helpful. See you in my next video. Bye bye.